Little Sally was walking to art class when she had to duck and cover. Little Carl was in the library reading when he needed to duck and cover. These four kids were on their way to class when they all needed to duck and cover. Little Sally was riding her bike over the bridge when she needed to duck and cover. Sponsored by Napaway for stubborn hair. All your kinks will be gone in a blink.
You're beautiful.
A Sound of Thunder by Ray Bradbury. Sound of Thunder by Ray Bradbury.
Hey, this is A Sound of Thunder by Ray Bradbury.
Is this time travel thing for us? Because I best be coming back alive.
Obviously, we guarantee nothing except the dinosaurs. This is Mr. T, your safari guide of the past. Boy, if you don't listen, you pay me 10 G.
I'm straight up tripping. This is a time machine.
Yeah, we're real lucky. We get lots of problems, but all you gotta worry about is...
Me tearing up my dino.
But dang, you best watch out, because those dinosaurs are hungry, and I ain't paying your medical bill.
You trying to play me, fool?
No, we want anybody flipping no lids after we pop the first cap. Mr. T, take this fool. Good luck, my brother.
If you pop them right, obviously we stay away from the ones with the smarts. Get them in the eyes first and blind them.
Sweet.
That is the jungle of 60,002,050 years for President K. That right there is the path you stay on. And if you step off the path, you're gonna die, obviously.
For reals? Why?
We ain't gonna change no future. We don't belong in the past. The gov ain't digging us being here. Don't even be stepping on no butterflies or anything.
That ain't clear.
Say we accidentally shoot up a mouse, then the rest be history.
Over there. 60 seconds, we're gonna bust a cap in that thing. Best not walk off the path.
Up ahead they be.
Why? Why he's so tall?
Shut your mouth!
We fools being here, this be impossible.
Didn't I tell you to shut your mouth? You scared, go back to the time machine.
I didn't realize how long. It sees us. I wanna get out now. Get me out. Best not run. Turn around. Go hide yourself in the time machine.
In the arms
Whoa.
I'm warning you, I might kill you. Get out. Don't ever come back.
No, I can't do that. I don't think that.
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me. When I hit the floor, the girls come snapping at me. Now everybody wants a blast of magic, magic, magic.
A Sound of Thunder by Ray Bradbury. Everything you need to know. Understood, son? Billy? Come on.
If you pop them right, obviously we stay away from the ones with the smarts. If you get them in the eyes and blind them. That is the jungle of 60,002,000 and... You're gonna die, obviously.
For real. I quit. I'm going to my...
Ow!
Up in my studio. You get that?
Being here, this should be impossible.
Oh, it was an accident.
there's some dinosaurs up in 2055, and you better hide your kids and hide your wife, because